Yo, what is up, guys? Bradley Walker here.
And seven.
Going to break down this gold trade that we took this morning for you guys. We're in this trade for about 2 hours. As always, show you guys some of the things that we did, why we entered, why we got out where we did at the take profit zone, and what we could have done better. So we're going to break this trade down for you guys today. Definitely like, comment, subscribe. Check out the links in the bio. Definitely a lot of content coming your way. We have, I would say, within the next month, a free course coming out, as well as full access to our Discord, website, and a lot of other things. So definitely stay tuned for that. We got a lot of stuff coming for you guys. We're going to jump into this gold trade. All right, guys, we're going to break this trade down for you guys. You can see it here. We traded gold. We had a 0.4 lot size on this trade, so $4 per pip. You can see here we called about 54 pips on this bullish move. And we will break this down and show you guys why we entered where we did. So you can see right here, 1773.16, 1773.16 is where we entered this trade. What we were looking for here is we saw this consolidation basically going on all day within this gold trade. Yeah, so we wanted to see this range here be retested, not broken. We were anticipating that it would be retested, and then we were looking for a pullback from that retest of the previous daily low here. So what we saw here, came down, tested this previous daily low, worked its way back up here to 1777.76 range, and then came back down where we entered here. What we entered here, when this pair broke up, this entry here, the 1773 zone, was roughly, I would say, the top third of this wick here. So we decided right around there with that retest we were going to get in because it failed to break down, came up, retested back down, and we decided to hop in this buy here. Rode this buy up to roughly 1778.54. Like I said, catching 54 pips on that move. And if you look here, this pair broke up, but it used this as a resistance / support zone. Came up, failed to break. Came up, finally broke it. Used it as a support. Came up, tested here. Came back down, retested this area, failed to break. Finally broke up, retested again. So we decided that that was a pretty strong zone where we were going to lock in our profits. Now, as you can see here, one thing we could have done better is potentially held this trade a little bit longer. Got out 1778.54. It since came up about 30 pips, now ranging at about 1781.20. So we could possibly see some buys if this range breaks here, possibly into tomorrow. And we see up here, 1795 is going to be the next little range that we see, or we could possibly see a re-entry on this trade.
All right, guys, 54 pip move. It's pretty decent. Definitely could have held a little bit longer and made 30 more pips up, but definitely wasn't horrible. So nothing super exciting. You can see it was pretty sideways today. Kind of only had about a maybe 10-point range, and then most of the day was only probably about 5. So not too much movement for us to do much on, but you can see days like this where it's not crazy movements, you can still have some profits. So
definitely.
Yeah.
As you guys can see here, we made about 215 on this trade. So like Seven was saying, nothing too crazy, but 54 pips is definitely still a decent move. For gold, it's definitely been sideways. You can see here on average from 1795 down to 1769 yesterday. So I'd say on average, gold is roughly a 10-point or 100 pip volume pair. But today we only saw about 50 pips and it's been kind of sideways. So see what happens tomorrow.
Thank you guys for coming and watching the video. Like, comment, subscribe as usual. A lot more content coming, as we always say. A free course dropping soon as well. That's something new, exciting. Our website is going to be up as well, kind of our landing page. Make sure you follow us on social media. We have a lot of great posts there, inspirational content.
Yeah, guys, definitely thanks. Appreciate you guys for supporting us through all of these ups and downs. Definitely been a long journey getting to this point, but launch is definitely coming soon. Like Seven was saying, access to our free course, access to our Discord, and a lot of other things is coming for you guys. So definitely like, comment, subscribe. Check out the links in the description below. We have some of the recommended brokers that we have for you guys, as well as some access to getting free stocks, as well as all of the links to our social media. So definitely stay tuned. We got a lot more content coming.